guys, for today's video we are going to try to propagate the succulents that I bought a few weeks ago, and we're going to try to propagate them so it'll spread and grow more than the usual. So come on, let's try it. Okay, the first thing that we need is a tin foil or any kind of container that you don't use anymore. I have this styrofoam that I used for the vegetable that I bought from the market. Instead of throwing it away, I'm just gonna reuse this maybe, and then a tin foil, and then also a paper towel. And maybe we will need this scissor, and we're gonna need water, and then the succulents that we are gonna propagate. Okay guys? Propagating succulents from the leaves is simple, that requires few simple tips. The best way to remove a leaf for propagation is to gently remove it with your fingers. Twist it back and forth slightly and delicately wiggle it back and forth till it comes off. Always choose healthy leaves as they have a better chance of succeeding. Propagating succulents from the leaves can be done all year round. But in colder climates or winter time, it gives much better results. Take a shallow tray and fill it with soil by adding sand and perlite in equal proportions. Gently tap or squeeze in the roots so that it won't hurt your succulents. Make equal layer of soil on the tray. Lay the leaves and gently push the bottom part of the root onto the soil. You can place them according to your liking. I will try to do a yin-yang design so that it looks good in the video, but this is not necessary. Remember, rooting succulents need a bit more water, but not too much water, because it will cause them to rot and die. Instead of watering or doing it regular water, sprinkle it with your hands like so, or use a tray or a spray bottle to mist the soil every day. And once you're done, place the tray in indirect sunlight until the new plants are established. Do not put it in direct sunlight as it will cause leaves to burn. So you just want the top of the soil damp but not wet. Thank you guys for watching my propagating video. I hope you guys liked it and learned something new. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below on what you think about the video. Please don't forget to share this video as well. Thank you guys so much. Have a good one and good luck.